How's it going? Chris at Young's, and today we're going to talk about a 2013 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Now, as any of my regular customers know, this one's going to catch my attention right off the bat because as a military fan, I love olive drab. You just can't beat the color. This bike's got its nice crash guard on there with the highway pegs to keep your legs nice and comfy and stretched out. You've got your Arlen-ness Stage 2 air cleaner to increase that velocity of airflow in the motor. You got lots of little chrome covers on the motor. It's got a 103 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission, chrome passenger mounts, and once again that beautiful olive drab paint scheme. On the back, you've got the passenger's quick disconnect backrest and easy thumb wheel screw for seat removal. They've got slip-on exhaust added onto the stock header to give it a little bit more rumble than the stock bike had. 103 insignia derby cover, heel toe shifter to keep the little stress off your ankle as you're going down the road on the long rides. Let's see how she sounds.